What's up, Trevor? Should you here back again with another video for you guys. And the past 2 months of my life have been filled with serious and terrible hard drive related issues. So bad, in fact, that I had to switch, like a lot of you all know, from my old laptop to a newer one. And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 warning signs and symptoms that your laptop hard drive is failing you or is damaging, and also a couple of ways that you can fix this failing hard drive. A quick disclaimer here, this is not a video about solid state drives. This is a video strictly about hard drives. So if you're a solid state drive user, you have a solid state drive on your laptop, click away from this video now. Do not watch it any further because this is not a video for you. So without any much talk, let's dive right into today's video. Roll that intro. Now, coming in at number 1 warning sign of hard drive failure is unscheduled and unexpected reboots. And this just simply means that when you're working on your laptop or on your PC, your laptop just turns off and restarts or reboots without you obviously hitting the restart button. And this was something that I even personally experienced using my old laptop. Sometimes I could just be working on Photoshop or editing a video and my laptop would just go off and restart by itself. Now, there are a couple of reasons why a laptop can go off and restart. Maybe sometimes it's trying to install a Windows update, but most of the times those things are actually scheduled. What I'm talking about in this video is unscheduled, straight out of the blues, turning off and rebooting. Now, if you find that your laptop does this pretty frequently when you're working on documents, this can just be a red flag or a warning sign of a potential hard drive related problem. Now, coming in at number 2 is weird sounds. And sometimes, let me just say this, it is normal sometimes for hard drives to make some noise or some type of sound when they are being used. Sometimes. What I'm talking about in this video is not just normal sounds, I'm talking about weird sounds. And there are a couple of different types of sounds that hard drives make when they are having or developing faults. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be focusing on the 2 major ones that a lot of people experience a lot more, which are the grinding sound and the clicking sound. What I honestly advise people to do when it comes to detecting weird sounds is that I tell them that they should know the sound that their laptop makes when it is okay and performing well, so that when it starts making some weird noises that are unconventional, they will be able to detect and say, oh, it doesn't make that noise, so definitely something is going wrong. Now, coming in at number 3 is difficulty or total inability to access the files on your hard drive. Now, I know a lot of people here might be going through this issue, and this is one of the most common ones, where you have serious difficulty or it takes a long time for you to be able to click in and access the files on your hard drive, or sometimes you are not even able to access the files at all. If you are going through one of these problems, this is another really huge red flag of a hard drive related problem. Now that I've spoken about the 3 symptoms or signs that I experienced, the question that a lot of you guys might be asking that are watching this video is, yo, Sheju, how do you solve these hard drive related problems? And now I know that even a lot of you guys before coming here must have seen a lot of weird hacks on YouTube about how to fix your hard drive related problems. Some guys say you should rub the hard drive with an eraser, pop it in the freezer. Some guys even say you should open it up and screw and do some really weird stuff. But the truth is, I will honestly not advise that you do anyone or you carry out any one of these weird hacks or experiments in order to fix your failing hard drive. And I don't want to sound like Captain Obvious here, but if you are going through or experiencing any one of the above mentioned hard drive related issues or symptoms of a hard drive failure, please and please, I am begging you, take your hard drive to a professional for fixing. And this is advice that I honestly even wish I listened to a couple of months ago. Because me, as long as a couple of other people I know, have tried to implement one of these weird hacks and have lost the files on a hard drive in the process. And the funny thing is that the real reason why I know a lot of people do not want to take it to a professional for fixing is because they do not want to pay some amount of money for data recovery or for fixing the hard drive. So they want to act like cheapskates and fix it by themselves. Hard drives are very delicate pieces of computer hardware, and it's not the kind of thing that you want to pop in the freezer or carry out one of these weird hacks on. Like this video if you enjoyed it. It goes a long way to support me and support the channel, and also shows YouTube and tells it to recommend this video to a lot more people. Subscribe if you're new here, because I have a lot more amazing content coming your way. So subscribe if you do not want to miss out on any of my future content, and also hit the little notification bell icon so you will not miss any of my uploads. Share this video if you found it really helpful, and I will see you guys next week Friday as always in another video.